Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Farhana Yasmin, assistant teacher of morning shift. Now I am going to take an English literature class for class 3. Our today's topic is Unit 3, the history of money. This story from the buzzword book. We will do the synonym, antonym and question answer from this unit today. So please look here dear students. We'll be reading the synonym and antonym for this story first. We have 4 words here: allow, precious, easy and buy. We will learn the synonym and antonyms for these 4 words today. Our first word is allow. Synonym for allow is permit and antonym is forbid. Our second word is precious. Synonym is expensive and antonym is cheap. Our third word is easy. Synonym for easy is simple and antonym is hard. Our fourth and last word is buy. Synonym for buy is purchase and antonym is sell. Now, read the words with their synonym and antonym with me. Allow, permit, forbid, precious, expensive, cheap, easy, simple, hard. Buy, purchase, sell. Practice by yourself again, like in this way. Let's move on to question answer now. You can find the questions given on page 29 in your book. We will not do all the questions. We will only do question number 2, 4 and 5 from the book. So let's see. Question number 2 is, what was the first form of money people used? The answer is, cowrie shell was the first form of money used by the people of ancient China and India. Let's read again. What was the first form of money people used? The answer is, cowrie shell was the first form of money used by the people of ancient China and India. See here students, you have to capitalize the first letter of China and India because these are the name of 2 countries. So you have to capitalize the C of China and the I of India. Be careful about it when you write. Let's move on to question number 4. Who first used precious metals as money? The answer is, the people of Egypt and Asia first used precious metals as money. Let's read again. Who first used precious metals as money? Answer, the people of Egypt and Asia first used precious metals as money. Here again you have to capitalize Egypt and Asia. Let's move on to question number 5. Why were the Chinese the first people to use paper money? Answer, the Chinese were the first people to use paper money because they invented paper. Let's read again. Why were the Chinese the first people to use paper money? Answer, the Chinese were the first people to use paper money because they invented paper. Okay students, your next homework number 4 will be the question answer from unit 3. So you will do these 3 question answers as your homework in your homework copy. So dear students, Do the homework on due time and submit on next Saturday. Hope to see you soon. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.